Make a great choice today with the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, fog lights, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.